Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Bupa Global Health Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Bupa Global Health Insurance Review My Usage Experience offers international health insurance plans. It aims to provide comprehensive medical coverage for individuals and families living or traveling abroad. Key features likely include various coverage levels, global network of providers, and 24/7 assistance. Their website provides details on specific plans and pricing. Bupa Global positions itself as a reliable provider of international health insurance, emphasizing comprehensive coverage and a large network of healthcare providers worldwide. Their website highlights ease of access to information regarding plans and claims. They promote pricing transparency, though specific details vary by plan. Availability is global, but specific plan options might differ depending on location. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Bupa Global Health Insurance. Getting started was straightforward. I visited their website, used their online quote tool, and found the process of comparing different plans quite intuitive. The website itself is well designed and easy to navigate. I found all the information I needed easily accessible. I needed to submit some documentation, which I did through their secure online portal, again, a very smooth process. I recently needed to file a claim after a minor medical incident while traveling in Southeast Asia. The process was surprisingly quick. I submitted my claim online and received an update within 48 hours. The claim was processed efficiently and payment was received promptly. I was really impressed by how responsive and helpful their customer service was throughout the whole process. I had a quick question regarding my policy coverage and their support team responded within a day via email. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for easier access to my policy details, but this wasn't a major inconvenience. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Bupa Global service. They provided excellent coverage, quick claim processing and responsive customer support. That's my overview of Bupa Global Health Insurance. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.